I think it's as I think people have not really looked at this, but also in terms of this standoff, currently, I mean, who's running the show?
Yeah, at the moment, probably the military is running the show because they are saying Mugabe is still the commander-in-chief, and Mugabe seems to be sort of, according to the media reports, under house arrest. What is the term which they are using?
He's yeah,
Confined. He's
It is,
confined, yeah.
yeah.
So technically he cannot do anything. So at the moment, probably we can say the military is running the show.
So, but we're also talking a situation where the Minister of Finance is in detention or is kept safely somewhere with the army. And so a situation like our economy where we are living from hand to mouth, are we not likely to have challenges if the situation goes maybe for more than a week? To say, at the end of the day, we now start saying, and all these kind of things. How long can we go on in this kind of situation?
Yeah, we are sitting on the edge in terms of the economy because we have been running, we've been buying our basic goods from the loan facility that we got from Africa. So at the moment, I think it is going to give us a lot of challenges as long as it's not clear who is now running the show. Because even if, let's say, we run out of this loan facility, who is now mandated to go and talk to the African Development Bank or Afrizim to get some other package. So I think what is needed is to settle this issue the sooner the better.